But word up on the shop. Oh, Bumbuckler! What am I telling you, say? What am I telling you, say? I tell you, say the clash hype man is in full effect. And I tell you, say I want somebody from the Z-Tech side for answer Fari, Dan. Don't me the Bumbuckler tell you, no. Don't me the tell you, no. Remember the dog. In a Friday song, in a dog. Call himself flash up on like a couple of minutes. Bumbuckler! What am I telling you, say? I put this on the start of the video for you to watch the whole of the blood clot video. You can't stand there. Oh, you can't stand there. Go on, this one just get 10 times better now.
Like a boy should have stay positive. Now the shot chop your limbs like the butcher do the pig.
Yeah!
Head bust, marrow paste for the pig.
Bap. What's good YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. I will back with another video for you guys, people. Right now, people have Plumpy Boss Bad from Birth official video. You done with chop already, you know, The Reaction Boss is in full effect, you know, people. Now, me so people get this in the video, in the song. I know say every song from Trinidad, most of the time that people get this. I could have one girl song, somebody I get this tonight. I don't know how I go on, but yeah, what? I'm also the clash hype man. I want to see a lyrical clash go on right now for make. We make what? Make dancehall nice again. So make us see what I go on, people. Like up the video, comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. Big up your Bumbuckle Bell self. Big up your Bumbuckle Bell self. Thanks for supporting The Reaction Boss every day, all the day when I post a video. Then me answer. For those who don't watch my video, them when I post them. Make up yourself see me. You know what you do. Run tune! Z-Tech. Once you see that, then you see a Z-Tech. Z-Tech Records. Running, all guns are real in this video. Plumpy Boss. I like the visuals already, it clean already.
Yeah, dog.
Yeah, man. It just start and it clean already, we can see. We can look and see. Just start and it clean. Me have even gone a couple seconds good. But guess what? Yeah, dog. Go on, go see what going on now, man. On top of the building outside.
Boy, them no gun, but them no bad, you know.
Bumbuckle. In just the whole crowd a while ago. The man say the boy them no gun. But them don't know Bumbuckle Belt bad. Let me say them boy they are soft soap. Them know go but them know bad. You know what? Let's chat things.
Know that type of way there. Man, I'm not a shop for weed, I'm not a shop for weed, I'm not a shop for weed.
I'm not shop for weed, man. Me try to get what am I saying? Me try to listen and see what go on, you know. Kelly Beats, yeah, man, but they know say him produce the beat because I told Jumpy Mirror Star, I know say him. Why go on like a heat this on to blood clot. Why this Bumbuckle thing, sir? Hold on the people. There we go. Cool on the Bumbuckle car, man. Come here and say, oh, why this come like a blood clot? A blood clot. Eat the have go on!
Yo, pon.
Kelly on the beat, boy.
Bust me gun, dog, we no giant talk with the.
You hear that? That busting blood clot gun in your giant chat. Yeah, man, the pause boss is in full effect. I want to hear about. You think me I am today? I treat video get back yesterday. You turn there. Go on. You turn there. Go on.
Fuck them a talk about one house that. Face gone, missing brain chop up in a half from them. This still a shop boy gone under grass.
You hear that? The man say bust him gun in giant blood clot chatting. Your face gone in under grass. You gone after for this lash up in the youth. Don't put them money on. And that the man making all right now in the youth. Don't do it. Or else what? You talk to them the Plumpy Boss. Talk to Bumbuckle them, you know. Make them know, no. Make them know what going on. Go on.
Dog house set up about me light off. Shoot up your friend them every time you drive past. Pussy where you know about
you hear that? Every time you drive past, I'm gonna bust up your friend them with the gun in the youth. Shoot at them Bumbuckle. Hey, don't run, put the man them in the youth. We ain't know about it. Yo, lash up. Don't run, put the man them. Yo, talk to the Bumbuckle man them no Plumpy. Talk.
See you like talk. Shoot up yourself for your little life loss. Drive out, pull up, knock it and laugh.
You hear that? Drive out, pull up, knock it and laugh. Oh, I want to go mention with that video that. I said all of them video. Any video released from the Z-Tech side. When we start with the Z-Tech, overall lag, you have a bag of artists that play them, like all of the artists them support each other when it comes to video shooting and all of that. The man them outside for each other, brother. You did me I say, you know who me see the whole video, me see them, me not see her. I want video, me see fishy, what's she name? She did that video too, what's she name again? Bumbuckler, she name dog. Jadakins. The month of Bumbuckler with the Jadakins in her. Yo, go on do.
Reach up a fast when the 17 start. Flame up a ton them light in a dark.
Why we drop out when the 17 start? I want to hear what go on now, because I don't ramp today, no. Reaction boss out here.
And I see you like talk. Shoot up yourself for your little life loss. Drive out, pull up, knock it and laugh.
We hear that already, sir. We know you're bad them way there already, sir. You hear me? Me know say you go drive out and you go pull up. We know say you go knock it and laugh because you're bad, man. We know all of them something there already. But we want to know what go Bumbuckler attack me after whatever pass. Go on.
Reach up a fast when the 17 start.
Yeah.
Flame up a ton them light in a dark.
Yeah.
Murderers so me ban.
Yeah, no star. Bad people. Something, sir. I saw when that video I shot, I can't live with COVID because I say nobody have no mask in here so to rust. But go on, people like up there for the video. Intimation time. You can't watch reaction boss video right now and you don't like the video. You hear me I say, so now we have vote for. You hear me? Like on the Bumbuckler video, I get put on the wall. Run tune.
Yo dog. Give them shot like a injection.
Bumbuckler.
Take them life you no ask question.
Bumbuckler. Give them shot like a injection. Blood clot. Me don't know what, but I don't afraid of Bumbuckler injection. Me don't like blood clot in the eagle and that. Me don't like see the blood clot. But go on.
Give them to deal, we have to do a press once. Them know so we bad from birth, bad from small.
Say if you know so the man bad from birth and him bad from him small. What am I ramp with Plumpy boss for? What am I ramp with you for? Me I ask you, dog. What am I ramp with you for, dog? They may know boy ya. If them know what them ramp with you for, I guess them never know ya, man.
Bad from short till we get tall. Like them off and we ground them all.
So just a while ago, man from a little Bobby Nile to a Bobby Nile to a senior Bobby Nile to a senior Bobby Nile, then him. You see that? For sure, they say I'm bad from him a Bobby Nile. Teeny Bobby Nile that come up. No, my big Bobby Nile. Why? But go on!
My dog, we go kill them. Yeah. We kill them.
They put a little man in some luck. Every video I react to from Uno, and then the Bumbuckler long chain and yo! Somebody over Trinidad who are anywhere in the world we make them chain. You can't send them come to me and me promote the chain them phone and wear them and I don't know what chop, you know. Man send some rash chain and some rash string and me wear them and the way them and set so total like a female one. You can't send them come man, me do promotion and all them thing that tone and so send them forward. Anything you have to promote and send them over here so the reaction boss they have to promote on the business. They don't know what chop. So send some chain come give them. Cause I saw it for the girls them, you know what I say? Yeah, so I vex still because the panel look booming and a Bumbuckler, long Bumbuckler chain. Chain that probably touch all them toenail to Bumbuckler. Toe chain them like blood clot man.
Dog, can I see how them grape them a dick? Try run up and lash up and straight in the fridge.
You know to see how them grape them a dick. Try run up in the lash up and man say them straight in the fridge. You know, they will put up on ice basically. Say they got one dead yard. Turn in the fridge when they're dead. Clot. But what up on the lash up? Oh, Bumbuckler! What am I telling you say? What am I telling you say? I'm telling you the clash hype man is in full effect. And I'm telling you I want somebody from the Z-Tech side for answer Fari Dan. Don't me the Bumbuckler tell you no. Don't me the tell you no. Remember the dog. In a Fari Dan side, in a dog. Call himself flash up on like a couple minutes. Bumbuckler! What am I telling you say? I put this at the start of the video for you watch the whole of the blood clot video. You can't stand there. Oh, you can't stand there. Go on, this one just get 10 times better now.
Like a boy should have stay positive. Now the shot chop your limbs like the butcher do the pig.
Yeah!
Head bust, marrow pace on the pitch.
We can't see me tackle right now. Bumbuckler, Plumpy blast, Plumpy boss. Bad from birth, Fari than this. The clash is on. Bumbuckler, I tackle that. Don't run for the reaction boss. Right now, I'm taking the reaction boss again. Clash hype man. Clash hype man. Clash hype man. Clash hype man in the comment section, people. Clash hype man right now. Bumbuckler, go on!
Liar, but body fall in a ditch. murder them my dog. On the front page we placing a vis.
Buckler dog. No, we're not part of the lash up. I can't remember for the lyrics to the dog. Call himself lash up and like a coffee meds. Look how much time they get swan and meds in a bed, blah blah blah. How did go? I don't know how they go, but yeah. No, you don't put the clash out, man. No, you don't put me. You know me? You know me? You know me a blood clot. Go on.
If you think about when the girl take a switch ball and fire like a big head chug on my
Yeah.
dog, them a chug about. Never fear no man, me kill you, them me put you back.
Sang bad. Let's say for it. He sang bad. He sang bad. Right now, it's the biggest song in the world. Because the Clash Hype Man now. The Clash Hype Man is when the Clash go on. Every song shot because the next person will reply. So you don't know, say Clash. The Clash, this song bad right now. This song bad. Right now, this song bad. It a kick out teeth right now. And that me I say. So no we have vote for. The Clash Hype Man had the reaction boss. Me don't care if I say the trash or nothing the first time I react to it. But now, the song of the body song of the world. Right now, Fari want to reply again, Fari. Me not ramp it. Right away. Send speed. Run tune.
The big black wagon dog, march out and dog. Got the place bus coach, tomorrow fly crash in a bird face and a part.
Walk out and march out and dog. Dog, me can't even emphasize how the man bumbo clap bad right now, dog. Me sad say me have a bumbo clap react to the video that we are. As we carry us and free me dog. Me start just a whole lot of vibe to the song them, but now me have to go back to the always. You do me I say. But when you go back to the always, me know something like that because I have to subscribe for still. But dog, most of mess the song that can go through, but me can't do it again. But you know what? Run tune and let's chat exam.
That key when we use lock place. Big guns out anytime them a chase. Them know so we bad from birth.
Song done basically.
Yeah.
Song
I'm
done.
shot till we get we kill.
Yo, run put the bumbo clap, man, sir. People, the war is on. Clash Hype Man is here to react to all of the Clash song them. So far done. Let me know when you react. You're not going to reply no, man. Because you don't know the reaction boss. There. No, the Clash Hype Man there. Me there. Your reaction says a lot. We have some new merch. Just drop, people. Just drop. Like yesterday. Just drop reaction boss to get an official logo and bait. You want to know about bumbo clap? That. Don't run put the thing youth. Well official we say. Well official we say over here. Go and go check it up on Teespring. You see me I say it's been about Tyrekevlogs reaction boss. Peace out. Link down below in the description to my bumbo clap store. Cop some merch. Link down below in the description. Link pin in the comment section. Cop some merch. I'm out.